We have hybrid training sessions for the next 3 days with participants from different LGBT partner Madaris.
We have been conduits of learning so that our students can find their own language, their own voice, and in so doing, be able to express what is true and live out what is just so that we could have better communities.
Ibig sabihin ng CEFR ay Common European Framework of Reference. This is a framework for language, and there are plenty of language frameworks in the world.
Some of the principles that are designed. Why do we need to bring this into our classroom? Number one is to adapt the CEFR into our own context. Next is the focus should be on the outcome of learning. The important key principle is that focus on purposeful communication. The last one is to focus on the development of good language learning skills.
The guest speaker provide a very informative topic. We are very thankful sa inyong lahat.
Apply natin yung CEFR. Our school, pasay sa mga pictures kung paano gagawin, paano i-apply sa mga estudyante.
As a participant, we learn a lot po from the training, alhamdulillah. By applying CEFR strategies, a big help for us to enhance our teaching strategies.